Okay guys, today we will unbox rice cooker from Philips. The model is HD3017. Unboxing 2019. This is a 1.8 liters. So it's good for family. You can cook rice for your entire family. This is the model. So we'll unbox now. Something like that. Okay. User's manual. Okay. English very good. English very good. Some QR code. So we'll keep it at the side. And my warranty card. And then open up. Bang! This is the 1.8 liters rice cooker by Philips. HD3017. This is the new model of 2019. Okay, we'll lift out. Oh my god, it's too much heavy. I don't know what you call this kind of rice cooker. It's full surface. Pull it close like that. You will see the switch button. Cook rice, something else like that. By the way, I like the design. I didn't notice this one when I buy it. Yeah, really. And then here is the exhaust, I think, when you are cooking. Oh, it's movable. We'll find out. Oh, yes. Removable. So you can clean if you want. We will put it back. And then the button when you want to open it. Press it. And then lift up. Bang! My god. Okay, I have a what you call this spoon for rice. And then a cup, glass for measuring your, what is this? Okay. My cable. And then steamer if you want to cook like siopaw, siomai, something like that. If you want to steam something, you can use that. Oh my god, I'm surprised about this color of this bowl. Did you see that? This bowl, it's color brown. For me, it's new color, this one. I don't know to the other brand. Okay. And then some matte black. I feel like a 1000 cc sandpaper, something like that. Okay, yeah, I like it so much. It's really good. Oh my god. Okay, you can plug there. And then downside, I like it. Very nice. It's finished. Once again, rice cooker 1.8 liter by Philips. The model is HD3017. Unboxing 2019. made in China. Thank you guys.